Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the clauses. It is very vital to occupy the idea on clause. It helps us to understand the division of sentences, especially according to formation. If we earn knowledge on clause, we shall be able to transform the sentences from one sentence to another sentence and vice versa. Because it is the fundamental place for transforming of sentences. Now, let us discuss about the clauses. If we define about the clause, then we can say a clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb but is a part of a sentence. According to another grammarians, we can say a clause is a group of words having a subject and a predicate of its own but forming part of a sentence. Nesfield said a clause is a group of words that contains a finite verb. Now, clauses are of three kinds. Number 1, principal clause. Number 2, subordinate clause. Number 3, coordinate clause. What is principal clause? A clause is the group of words, but it is only a part of a sentence. It has a subject and a predicate, but still it does not make complete sense without the principal part of the sentence, called principal clause. Besides it, principal clause is an undependable part of the sentence because it can make a complete sense itself for containing the subject as well as finite verb and the object. It is not dependable on other clauses. Even many other clauses are dependable on principal clause. As, for example, I know the person who is a doctor. Here, I know the person, principal clause, because it is not dependable on other clauses and it has own subject, I, and it has own object, the person. Besides that, a clause who is a doctor is dependable on it. Number 2, subordinate clause. A clause that is dependent on another clause is called subordinate or dependent clause. As it can be said from the previous example, I know the person who is a doctor. Here, who is a doctor is the example of subordinate clause for being dependable on the principal clause. Number 3, coordinate clause. A coordinate clause is of the same rank as another and is connected by a coordinate conjunction with letter. Thus, a clause may be coordinate with a main clause or with a subordinate clause. Generally, in this clause, 2 or more principal clauses are joined with conjunctional words as, and, or, but, etc. For example, he is poor, but he is honest. Thank you.